Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to include custom fonts in jsPDF documents here, PDF documents. So this is the application. So this is, you can write anything here. Let me write hello world and click the button. So a PDF file will be downloaded and you will see that a custom font is used here. So in order to make this application, just go to your text editor and make an index.html file, and you need to just include the jsPDF CDN for this. So right here, include the script tag CDN of jsPDF min.js. So include it, and after that just make an input element which will be holding the actual text. So let me just make an input element which will be of type text. So let me just give a ID to it of PDF. So then we will be having a button which will be generate PDF and a on click attribute. So whenever we click the button, this function will execute this, that is generate PDF. So if I open the script tag and make this function which is generate PDF, so now we just need to first of all grab the text which is written here. So make a new variable text. So grab it by document.getElement by ID. So pass the ID which is PDF, and then to grab the value just write here dot value. So this will grab the actual value which is written here in the input field. Now we just need to make a new document which is jsPDF, and now in order to set the custom font we need to use a function. So first of all, let me just show you the available fonts which is supported by jsPDF. For that we have the get font list method. So if I just print it out in the console log, so if I just go back to the application and let's suppose I write something here, you will see that the list of document is not defined. So just make n here, so document. So if I refresh once again, if I type something, so you will see that guys, this is a JSON response coming in from the jsPDF. So these are the fonts which are currently supported by jsPDF. You can see that Courier, Helvetica, Symbol, Times, Courier. So these are the fonts, custom fonts that you can use in your PDF document. So now in order to set the fonts, we have a method in jsPDF which is doc.setFont. So here we can just provide the font name. So let me just choose this font. This is Courier font. Just type the name here, same name in double quotes, and now we just need to set the font type which is either normal, bold, italic or bold italic. So these much of values you can pass here. So for setting this we have this function set font type. This is a function. Now I can just set it to bold here. After setting it, we need to add some text here. So for adding some text, so we are using this text which we have passed here in the input field. So we will just use this method dot text. So inside this we will pass our extracted text, you can see that, which is there in this text variable. We will pass this variable and also these additional two attributes, which is x and y coordinates, so 15, 15. So after adding the text here, we need to save the PDF document. So once the page refreshes, it will automatically be downloaded. So for that, we need to call this function doc.save. Inside this, you can just pass any name. Let's suppose I pass custom font.pdf. So this is complete. So now if I just refresh the application and type anything, let's suppose hello world, if I click the button, you will see that a file has been downloaded. If I open this PDF document, you will see that this is a Courier font which has been applied in the bold manner. I can even change the fonts here. Let's suppose I write this Times font. Let me change this to Times, and let me change the bold to normal. So if I refresh again and write here Times, generate PDF, so now you can see that the font has changed to Times Roman. So in this way, you can just use custom fonts in jsPDF documents using a very simple function, which is doc.setFont and doc.setFontType.